AMD had a strong quarter with earnings and revenue beating expectations. Things are looking even better for Q4 too. EPS, 73 cents, adjusted, versus 67 cents expected, up 16% year-over-year. Revenue, $4.31 billion, versus $4.12 billion expected, up 54% year-over-year. AMD is expecting a total of $4.5 billion in sales for Q4, which is well above analyst expectations of about $4.25 billion United States dollars for the quarter. Additionally, AMD expects to show 38% annual growth throughout the same period based on their forecasts. AMD has benefited from the upswing in electronics sales and their processors power PCs, servers and game consoles. The numbers are very impressive. During that time, AMD's computing and graphics segment reported $2.4 billion in revenue, up 44% year-over-year. The PC market has slowed in recent years, but that's not exactly a bad thing. The chips are selling at higher average prices because people are buying more powerful CPUs. AMD reported $1.9 billion in sales from the embedded, enterprise, and semi-custom category, which includes server chips as well as semi-custom chips. They were able to reach a 69% year-over-year growth due to EPYC server chip sales as well as higher semi-custom chip sales, which are the semiconductors it sells to game console makers. AMD's EPYC processors are gaining traction in the server market. Marketing giants such as Microsoft and Google have bought their products to use for running their cloud services. AMD CEO Lisa Su has revealed that AMD has seen double the data center revenue in the past year and now they stand for mid-20s of overall AMD revenue. Game consoles are difficult to find as they are in high demand, with popular models like Sony's PlayStation 5 and Microsoft's newest Xbox taking top spots. Likewise, AMD's graphics cards and processors have become scarce thanks to the large demand. Su said on a call with analysts on Tuesday that semi-custom revenue grew sequentially and year-over-year as demand for the latest Microsoft and Sony consoles remains very strong. We expect semi-custom revenue to increase sequentially in the fourth quarter as we further ramp supply to address the ongoing game console demand. AMD is a company that specializes in designing the technology behind its semiconductors and has its chips manufactured by partners such as TSMC and GlobalFoundries. For this reason, it's experiencing a first-hand shortage of chips. This problem will be alleviated in 2020, when AMD CEO Lisa Su expects the shortage to be less severe. AMD said its gross margin was 48% in the second quarter, up from 44% in the same period last year thanks to customers buying more expensive processors. It forecast that gross margins would be 49.5%. AMD's net income for the quarter was $893 million. Last October, AMD announced its plans to buy Xilinx in a $35 billion acquisition. The deal would give AMD more leverage to better compete with their main competitor Intel. AMD said the deal will still go through by the end of 2021 and it has made good progress so far with securing regulatory approvals. AMD has spent approximately $750 million on shares over the last quarter and as a result, its share price has risen by more than 30%. Thank you for following.